Hello everyone! Today I will teach you how to make quilling grasses. If you're interested, please keep on watching. I used 5mm paper strips.
It costs that much 'cause it takes me fucking hours. It costs that much 'cause I don't have superpowers. So you need to pay for my skills 'cause exposure doesn't pay the bills. It costs that much 'cause it takes me fucking hours. I know you think my prices are negotiable, but if you keep on questioning, I will not be so sociable. And feel free to walk away, 'cause I know just what my art is worth. So hear me when I say that it costs that much 'cause it took me years to master. You're free to try if you think you do it faster. But it would likely turn out shit 'cause you simply haven't practiced it. It costs that much 'cause it took me years to master. Since the dawn of art, there have been people just like you who stand along the sidelines judging everything we do. And I know that you won't be the last, but for every one of you there are 1,000 that are class. And it costs that much 'cause it takes me fucking hours. It costs that much 'cause I don't have superpowers. So you need to pay for my skills 'cause exposure doesn't pay the bills. It costs that much 'cause it takes me fucking hours.